The iPhone 16 Pro is finally here. It's more than just a phone, it's a statement. This is Apple's most powerful iPhone yet. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the iPhone 16 Pro is designed for those who demand the best. Get ready for an experience that will redefine what a smartphone can do. From its sleek design to its incredible performance, the iPhone 16 Pro pushes boundaries. This is a phone that not only keeps up with you, but also inspires you to do more. The iPhone 16 Pro is a game changer. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new level of smartphone experience. Get ready to see the difference. Prepare to be amazed. The iPhone 16 Pro is a beauty to behold. It's crafted with a titanium frame. This makes it incredibly durable, but it also feels incredibly light in your hand. The frosted glass back adds a touch of elegance. Plus, it helps reduce those pesky fingerprints. You get a phone that looks good and feels great to hold. The 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display is simply stunning. Experience brighter whites, deeper blacks, and vibrant colors. Promotion technology, with its 120 Hz refresh rate, makes every interaction incredibly smooth. Whether you're scrolling through your social feed or watching your favorite shows, the display will blow you away. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a revolutionary camera system. This is not just a camera, it's a tool for capturing life's most important moments. The triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor. The 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens lets you capture those breathtaking landscapes. And for those close-up shots, there's a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. Capture incredible detail with 4K Dolby Vision HDR video recording at 120 frames per second. Slow down time with 4K 120 frames per second slow motion. For professionals, ProRes Video delivers the highest quality video recording. Section 4. Powering the future, performance and efficiency redefined. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro is the A18 Pro chip. This powerhouse delivers blazing fast processing speeds, making everything you do feel effortless. Experience smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and enhanced graphics for your favorite games. The A18 Pro chip isn't just about power, it's also incredibly energy efficient. Enjoy longer battery life without sacrificing performance. The iPhone 16 Pro is designed to keep up with your demanding lifestyle. From intensive tasks to everyday use, the iPhone 16 Pro handles it all with ease. Section 5. Beyond all-day battery, power through your day and night. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The iPhone 16 Pro offers exceptional battery life. Watch up to 22 hours of video playback on a single charge. Need a quick boost? Fast charging gets you hours of use from just a 30-minute charge. With 25-watt MagSafe wireless charging and a 30-watt adapter, powering up your phone is effortless. The iPhone 16 Pro is designed to keep up with your busy life. Section 6. iOS 17. A seamless and intuitive user experience. Experience the power of iOS 17 on the iPhone 16 Pro. Enhanced privacy features give you more control over your data. Redesigned widgets provide quick access to your favorite information. The control center has been redesigned for even easier access to essential settings. iOS 17 delivers a smooth and intuitive user experience. Navigate effortlessly through your phone with ease. Enjoy a user-friendly interface that simplifies your digital life. Section 7. The ultimate upgrade, price and availability. The iPhone 16 Pro is more than just a phone. It's an investment in the future of mobile technology. Choose from 4 stunning colors: natural titanium, desert titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. The iPhone 16 Pro is available in a range of storage options to suit your needs. 128 gigabytes for $1,099, 256 gigabytes for $1,199, 512 gigabytes for $1,399, and 1 terabyte for $1,599. The iPhone 16 Pro is the ultimate upgrade for those who demand the best. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy MKBHD back with another review. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's latest offering, the iPhone 16. Is it a worthy upgrade? Let's find out. The hype is real, no doubt. But does the iPhone 16 live up to it? We're talking design, display, that A18 Bionic chip, and of course the camera. This is the one you've been waiting for. First impressions? Apple's keeping it familiar yet fresh. The iPhone 16 is a sleek machine. It feels great in the hand. We've got the usual suspects: space gray, silver, gold, and a new Pacific blue. Apple's really stepping up its color game. But let's get real, you want to know about the tech. The iPhone 16 boasts a slightly larger display this year. It comes in at 6.7 inches. That Super Retina XDR display is brighter than ever. Trust me, it's stunning. Whether you're gaming or scrolling through your feed, this display pops. Okay, time to talk performance. This is where the iPhone 16 really flexes its muscles. The A18 Bionic chip is a beast. We're talking lightning-fast speed, smoother than ever. Multitasking, gaming, whatever you throw at it, the iPhone 16 handles it like a champ. And yes, the battery life, let's just say you won't be reaching for that charger every 5 minutes. It's designed to keep up with your busy day. So, is the iPhone 16 all hype or a true hotshot? From what we've seen so far, it looks like Apple has delivered another winner. Stay tuned for our in-depth review, where we'll break down every feature and see if it truly stands out in the crowded smartphone market. Until then, keep those questions coming and let us know what you want to see tested. This is MKBHD signing off. Catch you in the next one. Let's get into the design. The iPhone 16 is a blend of elegance and innovation. It's classic iPhone but with some modern touches. The sleek lines and refined edges make it stand out. The Pacific blue is fire. Seriously, it's going to turn heads. This color is both bold and sophisticated. The build quality is what you'd expect from Apple. It feels solid, premium. Every detail is meticulously crafted. The camera bump is a little bigger this year, but hey, that's because the camera tech is insane. More on that soon. We'll get into that more later, trust me, it's worth the wait. Overall, the iPhone 16 is a looker. It's designed to impress in any setting. It's not a radical redesign, but it doesn't need to be. It's familiar yet refined, a perfect balance of old and new. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is packing some serious heat. The A18 Bionic chip is a monster. This thing screams. I'm talking zero lag even when I'm pushing it to the limit. Gaming on this phone is a next-level experience. Apple's really upped its game in the performance department. RAM management is excellent. Apps stay open in the background without a hitch. This is easily the most powerful iPhone yet. Let's talk camera. The iPhone 16 is a game-changer in mobile photography. This is where the iPhone 16 shines. Its camera capabilities are unmatched. The main sensor is incredible. It captures every detail with stunning clarity. Low-light photos? No problem. The detail is insane. Even in challenging lighting, it performs exceptionally well. Portrait mode is even better, with more realistic bokeh. Your portraits will look professional. And the video? Don't even get me started. It's like having a mini film studio in your pocket. 4K at 60 FPS is buttery smooth. The stabilization is top-notch. No more shaky videos. You can literally shoot pro-level videos with this phone. It's perfect for content creators. And with iOS 17, editing is a breeze. The tools are powerful yet easy to use. The new software features are super intuitive. They make the editing process seamless. Overall, the iPhone 16 is a beast. It's the total package. From hardware to software, it excels. Is it worth the upgrade? Absolutely. Especially if you value top-tier performance. If you care about having the latest and greatest, absolutely. This phone is a significant leap forward. This phone is a winner. Peace out.